Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check for nearby Snapchat users, and all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application. And then from here, all we may have to do is tap on this location icon, and then from here, all we have to do is to search for the place that we are currently located, which, for example, I am located in Nanyuki. So I'm going to tap on the search icon and I'm going to tap on Nanyuki. And as you can see, we do have this one, and I'm going to tap on it. From here, we can see that we can find the users or the people that have shared, let's see, like snaps, and we can have the option to either tag this place or they share it actually. And another thing is we can actually see the people that are actually near us, or the people that we have followed. We can actually see where they are located, if they have turned on their location or shared their location on. We may be able to find these people, and we are going to see where they are located. And as for me, as you can see, I don't have as many people that are located here because some of them haven't shared their location. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.